Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your drawing tablet in Photoshop. First, connect your tablet to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, visit your tablet manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. This step is crucial for optimal performance and compatibility. After the installation, please restart your computer. Once restarted, open Photoshop and create a new document to ensure your tablet is recognized and ready for use. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now, let's optimize your brush settings for pressure sensitivity. In Photoshop, navigate to the Brush Settings panel. Here, you'll want to enable Shape Dynamics and set its control option to pen pressure. This allows your brush size to vary with how hard you press. You can also adjust the minimum diameter to fine-tune this effect. Additionally, explore the transfer settings to control opacity and flow based on your pen pressure, giving you incredible artistic control over your strokes. To truly streamline your workflow, customize your tablet's buttons. Open your tablet's driver software, usually found in your system tray or control panel. Here, you can assign frequently used Photoshop shortcuts to your tablet's express keys. Consider mapping actions like undo, redo, or brush size adjustments. Also, configure your pen's side buttons for quick access to tools or modifiers. Many drivers allow you to create application-specific settings, ensuring your custom setup only applies when Photoshop is active, saving you valuable time. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. Always ensure your tablet drivers are the latest version. Outdated drivers are a common cause of issues. If you encounter problems, check for any conflicting software running in the background. Calibrating your pen and tablet within the driver settings can also improve cursor accuracy. Most importantly, practice regularly. Consistent use will help you develop muscle memory and gain precise control over your digital brushwork, making your creative process much smoother and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.